उसके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई होगी।
Viewers, shifting our focus to what's happening in Telangana, we have more breaking news coming in. High tension gripped Medipalli after alleged followers of MLC K. Kavita attacked the office of MLC Teenmar Mallanna. And the attack reportedly came in response to derogatory remarks made by Mallanna against K. Kavita. And his security personnel opened fire in the air to disperse the mob. And police teams, including the ACP and the circle inspector, rushed to the scene and have launched an investigation to ascertain the reason behind the attack and also to identify all these individuals who are seen barging into the office of an MLC named Teenmar Mallanna. In fact, Aneri is also joining us live to give us more details about this attack. Aneri, tell us more what exactly led to the attack and have the police managed to identify these perpetrators?
Well, Deepak, what exactly happened is after Teenmar Mallanna, who happens to be the Congress MLC, he was earlier suspended from the party over making derogatory comments, and now once again he has made a derogatory comment against the BRS MLC and Telangana Jagruti chief K. Kavita over the celebrations that she had carried out at her residence over the 42% reservation decision that was taken by the Congress government. And we have been seeing that how the political parties have been asking the government over the 42% reservation, and opposed the decision of the cabinet. We had seen that there were celebrations that were carried out. K. Kavita had also called it as a small victory on the behalf of the Telangana Jagruti, following which we saw Teenmar Mallanna making such derogatory comments against K. Kavita. And now after that, the followers of Telangana Jagruti had attacked on the office of Teenmar Mallanna, and following which as there were many people and they started attacking each other, one of the gunmen of Teenmar Mallanna had opened fire in air, and that led to a massive face-off between the followers of K. Kavita and the people present at Teenmar Mallanna's office there. And now the police officials have reached the spot. ACP has reached the spot and is investigating into this matter, whereas K. Kavita also will be soon lodging a complaint with the DGP over the comments which Teenmar Mallanna had made against her.
Right, Aneri, also tell us about the crackdown. Aneri, have arrests been made in this case?
Deepak, what we know is that as of now, this incident has just has taken place just few minutes back, and right now the ACP and the CI have reached the spot, reached the office of Teenmar Mallanna there, and they are investigating what exactly had transpired, looking into what exactly had happened and how there was an attack that had taken place by the Telangana Jagruti followers, and later how the gunmen of Teenmar Mallanna had opened fire in air, and we have been seeing that how this comes after a massive face-off between the Congress and the BRS MLC K. Kavita.
अरे कैमरा लंबा